Hello preschool teachers. On this tutorial you will learn how to approve in-kind activities submitted by parents. First of all, you have to log in your computer into your Learning Genie account. Once you're logged in, click on Manage Family Engagement, select in-kind report, and if you have two classrooms like an AM and a PM, you're gonna be able to toggle both classrooms on this section. Otherwise, this is just your classroom and all of your children will be listed. Those children with a red number indicate that the parents have entered in-kind activities. Up here on the page, you have reports, pending activities to be approved, and then the reviewed activities. So if I click on reports, it's going to show you the amount of classes, how many children, entries, the time spent, and the value, as well as the children down here in order, and activities that are pending, or the ones that have been approved. Okay, under pending, it's listing the activities that are pending for you to approve, and it's as simple as you can just click on one activity at a time, or you can select all of them at once. Please notice that the activities are also identified by domains, and parents are also able to enter a comment. It's important that you read the comments. I've been reading some of the comments entered by parents, and they're interesting, so please utilize this to engage with parents during this time. Okay, so I'm going to select all of them and then click approve. And once they are approved, then you are able to sign them. If you haven't done so already, then just enter your signature and click here if you want the signature to be applied for future in-kind reports, and then submit. And that is all you need to do to approve an in-kind activity. If you want to see how many in-kind activities have been provided by a specific parent, click on reviewed, and then go down here to the parent's name. This up here, I know is the same name. This is me as an employee, and this is me as a parent. So in your case, you would have the parent name here, and then your name would be up here. And this specific parent has submitted 4 activities, and this is the total completed by this parent. And then it tells you up here the total value of the time entered is $28.47 for that specific parent. If I toggle, oh, that's for the entire class. I'm sorry. Okay. I don't know if you have any questions. There is a download feature. Feel free to play with this a little bit more, but for now, this is all we are asking you to please help us with approving activities, as the parents are completing a huge amount of activities at home during the school closure. All right, thank you so much and have a great one.